Hello, class. This is Brigham Jensen. And we're gonna go over how to do word problems, for second grade. So the standard here is the standard 2.0A1 right here. Um, and so the standard is use addition and subtraction within 100 to solve one and two step problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing with unknowns in all positions. For example, by using drawings and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. Now, so we're gonna do an example problem of this about Kent. And so the problem we're going to do is Kent was going to a movie with 10 friends. Two of the friends could not come, but a friend brought three more friends with her. How many of them went to the movie? Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is underline all the numbers we have. So if you can see, we're going to underline 10, we're going to underline 3, and then the tricky number, because they spelled it out rather than just putting it in the numeric form that the other two is this 2 right here, okay? So now we have them all underlined. We'd like to do that because then we know what we're working with. We don't have to go reread the problem every time. So what we're going to do is write these numbers down here. We know we have 10. We know we have 2. We know we have 3. Okay, we're going to do this problem two ways. The first way is using equations. So now we want to figure out what our goal is. What's the number we're trying to find? That's normally going to be the last sentence or where the question mark is. So how many went to the movie is what we're trying to find. Okay, so we'll make that our n. That's going to be the number we don't know, right? So, to figure it out, the first way we're just going to use equations here. So, we have 10. Now, they try to trick you a little here, too, with Kent. Is Kent included in the 10 friends? No, he's going to a movie with 10 friends. So, that means that we're going to start out with 11 people. So, originally, 11 people were going to go to the movie. Okay, now our next number is the 2. And let's see, 2 of the friends could not come. Oh man. 2 people had something else to do, were doing their homework or something. And so they couldn't come. So we're going to do 11 minus 2. Take away those 2 people that had to do their homework. So that gives us 9. We're at 9 people now. Now, a friend brought 3 more friends with her. So now we're having 9 because we took away those 2 people. But one of the friends brought 3 extra people. So now we're going to add 3 to the 9 we have equals 12. And so in total, we're going to have 12 people that went to the movie. So that's our n right here. And we're just going to make sure we use all our numbers. K, 2, and the 10 went into the 11. I didn't write that, 10 plus 1. But, so yeah, that's how you do it in an equation format. Now, if we want to do drawing pictures, what we're going to do is I'm going to erase all of this. And we're going to start. Kent was going to a movie with 10 friends. Okay, so here's Kent. Kent. And he had 10 friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm just going to number them to make sure that I got the right amount of friends. Yeah, so he has his 10 friends there. Perfect. So, We have Kent and his 10 friends. Now, 2 friends could not come. Man, so number 10 can't come and number 9 can't come. So now we're at Kent with 8 friends. But number 8 decided to bring, Number 8 decided to bring 3 more friends. So we have 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm just going to write the numbers just to be sure. And these are going to be number 8's friends. Okay. So now we used all our numbers doing this. So now all we have to do to find our n is count how many people went. Okay, we have a picture of all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 people went to the movie. Okay, so that's how you do it. There's 2 different ways. You can use equations or pictures. It doesn't matter which way you do it. As you can see on both, we got 12 as our answer. So 12 people went to the movie. So this can be helpful if a student if a student can't remember how to do a problem like this. You can post something like this to the class webpage or the class blog or however you're staying in contact, and the student can go watch it and be reminded of how we learned it in class. Or if you have a parent that's trying to help their student, they can go watch it to learn how to do things. So all of this is helpful. Just to be able to do the screencast. I did it in OneNote. I could have also posted a video on paper, but this can be helpful if you're doing like an online resource or something that they don't remember how to get to or anything like that. So yeah, that's how you do your 2-step story problem here.